Hello my friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a recipe for life, a balanced blend of all the things that make it worth living. We're talking about work, family, and hobbies. These are the core ingredients that shape our daily experiences. Our passions, those activities that ignite our souls and bring us joy. Gardening, with its connection to nature and growth. Sailing, the freedom of the open water and the challenge of the wind. Painting, the expression of creativity and emotion through color and form, are the spices that make life rich, flavorful, and uniquely our own. They add zest and excitement to the everyday. But have you ever thought about the less obvious side of these passions? Have you considered how your hobbies might affect your financial security, particularly when it comes to protecting your family's future? The things we do for fun, the activities that define our leisure time, can impact the cost of protecting our loved ones, and it's a factor often overlooked. Let me tell you about Pierre and Jean, two individuals with very different pastimes. Pierre loves gardening. He finds peace and tranquility among his plants. His biggest risk is a sunburn, or perhaps a strain back from all that digging. Jean is a scuba diver, exploring the depths of the ocean, facing real risks every time he dives, venturing into an environment that demands respect and caution. When they looked into life insurance, seeking to secure their family's futures, their hobbies led to very different outcomes, significantly impacting their insurance rates. Today, we'll explore the fascinating connection between your hobbies and your insurance premiums. We'll see how your weekend fun matters to insurance companies and why they care about what you do in your free time. We'll see why a quiet afternoon painting, a serene and low-risk activity, isn't the same as skydiving, an adrenaline-pumping sport with inherent dangers, when it comes to your premiums and the overall cost of your life insurance policy. Understanding this intricate relationship can help you navigate the world of insurance and make the best decisions for your family, ensuring their financial well-being is protected. So, let's dive in and uncover the secrets behind hobbies, risk, and insurance. What is life insurance? It's a promise. You pay a premium, and if you're gone, your family gets a financial safety net. This money helps your loved ones cover expenses, mortgage, food, education, if you're not there. Life insurance is an act of love, a way to protect your family's future. There are different types: term life for a set period, whole life for lifelong coverage. The key is understanding it's a tool for protection. It's about peace of mind, knowing your family will be okay financially. That's the foundation of a secure future. Ever wondered how insurance companies determine the cost of your coverage? How do insurers decide your premium? It all comes down to a process called underwriting. They look at your age, a key factor in assessing potential risk, your overall health, and detailed medical history. These are the basics they consider. Insurers need to understand your current health status and any pre-existing conditions. Your job and lifestyle matter too, as these can significantly impact your risk profile. A construction worker or smoker, for example, typically pays more for coverage than an office worker or non-smoker due to the higher inherent risks. Even your driving record counts, reflecting your responsibility on the road. And then your hobbies. This is where risk gets personal, adding another layer to the assessment. Reading and gardening. Low-risk activities that pose minimal threat. Base jumping or cave diving. High-risk pursuits that significantly increase your premium. The more risk you bring to the table, the higher your premium will be. Underwriting is essentially about carefully balancing all these different ingredients and factors to set your unique and personalized price. Your hobbies are the final spice in the mix, adding a personal touch to your risk profile. Let's circle back to Pierre and Jean, our two friends navigating the world of insurance. Remember, everyone's situation is unique, and their hobbies play a significant role in shaping their insurance needs. Pierre's gardening hobby, a tranquil and earth-friendly pursuit, meant a smooth, affordable insurance process. Because gardening is generally considered a low-risk activity, it didn't raise any red flags with his insurance provider. Safe hobbies like knitting, a relaxing and creative pastime, or hiking, a great way to stay active and enjoy nature, generally don't raise your premiums. Insurers view these activities as low risk, meaning you're less likely to file a claim. Jean's scuba diving, though, presented a different scenario. It triggered extra questions and, unfortunately, higher costs. Risky hobbies, scuba, rock climbing, activities that carry a higher potential for accidents and injuries. Skydiving often mean higher premiums, or in some cases, even exclusions from your policy. Gene ultimately had to pay a flat extra on his premium for full coverage, acknowledging the increased risk associated with his chosen hobby. Sometimes, insurers offer policies that specifically exclude coverage for injuries or incidents related to certain risky activities. Gene, understanding the implications, chose to pay more to ensure his family was protected, no matter what adventures he pursued. So, what's the lesson we can learn from Pierre and Jean's experiences? Your hobby can directly affect your insurance price, influencing the premiums you pay and the coverage you receive. Choose coverage that fits your life and your passions, ensuring you're adequately protected while pursuing the activities you love. If you found this information helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more financial wisdom. Love adventure? You can still get life insurance. Just be smart. Always be honest about your hobbies. Hiding them can void your policy. Shop around. Some insurers are more adventure-friendly than others. Work with an independent agent to find the best fit. Show your commitment to safety. Certifications and clean records help. If you give up a risky hobby, ask your insurer to review your premium. Life insurance isn't set in stone. It can change as your life does. Enjoy your passions, but plan wisely. Protect your family. That's the best recipe for life. Happy living.